Hi, I'm Vali. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make a vegan version of the classic potato salad. So let's start by taking a look at the ingredients.
We'll need 3 boiled potatoes cut into cubes, half a red bell pepper, 1 spring onion, some olive oil, cashews, chili flakes, mustard sauce, pepper, salt to taste, and dill. In a bowl, we are going to add our boiled potatoes, followed by spring onions and red bell peppers. In a mixie jar, we are going to take some cashews. I've taken around 2 tablespoons of cashews, to which I'm adding 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Now I'm going to add salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of mustard sauce, and some water. Now we're going to blend this into a smooth sauce, and our salad dressing is ready. Add some cracked pepper, chili flakes, and mix it well. Mix until all the potatoes are coated with that yummy sauce. And your easy potato salad is ready to serve.